In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a password-protected zip file on your Windows 11 computer. So to start with, you need to make sure you have an application installed called WinRAR. If you don't already have this downloaded and installed, then you can simply download this for free online. Now, once you have WinRAR installed on your computer, all we need to do is select the file or files that we want to zip, right-click, select WinRAR, and then select Add to Archive. Now give your archive a name. From the archive format, select Zip, then click on Set Password. Now you just need to enter a password for your zip file, go and press OK, and then press OK again. Now as you can see, this zip file has been generated on our computer, and if we double click on this file, you can see that we won't be able to open any of the files inside it. Now in order to open these, what you need to do is right click on the zip file, select WinRAR, click on Extract Files, select where you want to extract these files to and press OK, and then you'll need to enter the password before you can extract the files and select OK. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.